Hey everybody, Ray here with Learn English with Ray. I hope you're having a good day. You know, I get a lot of messages from students asking me how can I improve my English, especially from beginners. The best thing that beginners can do to improve their English is to read children's books. And if you're not able to read the books, then at least watch the stories. And one of the best websites where you can watch children's stories is freechildrenstories.com. There, they have very simple videos on children's books where somebody will read the book to you. You can stop the video, and after you hear them read it, you can practice the pronunciation yourself. Children's books have English that is very clear, it's concise, it's very short, it's words that you can understand. And that's how you're going to improve your English, by starting off very, very small and then building from there. Give it a try. freechildrenstories.com. Send me a message back on what story you watched, and give some feedback on the story and the website itself. I think it's a great website, and I think you do yourself a very, very big favor by listening to one story a day. That's all it takes, maybe 3 or 5 minutes. That's it. freechildrenstories.com. Hey, it's free. I like free. You like free? We all like free, right? Check it out, freechildrenstories.com. Read a little bit every day, listen a little bit every day, right? If you have any questions about the English language, please contact me, send me a message, and let's work together. I'll talk to you soon. Have a great day. Peace.